So now for the third equation of motion. For third equation, which is exactly we have driven away earlier without graph. So we came to know v square minus u square is equals to 2as. S again displacement. And we know how to find displacement, that is area under the curve. Now let me check that curve. Now this is that curve which we are talking about, and this is the area. This is fully the area. So try to remember, for driving second equation we have used two areas. One is this triangle and second is of rectangle. So we have done that. But now for third equation I am taking it together. Together how? One this with whose value like this BC is equals to V, full V, and one side is this U. Means I am just drawing here one AO that is U and one BC that is V. Now both are parallel. This is at 90 degree because it is a part of rectangle. These are the two parallel sides and this is one height. So this is a trapezium. Can I use for the third equation area under the curve equals to area of trapezium? Area of trapezium. Now you have done in 8th in mathematics, area of trapezium means half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides into height. Now for this trapezium, the two sides AO parallel to BC. So AO BC, sum of both, that is BC plus AO. Half into BC plus AO into height. Now height is what? OC. Height is OC. OC. Now if we look into this, just try to find out. Look, half into BC. Now what is BC here? That can be formed from here. BC is what? BC is simply V, full is V, and AO is U. So BC is V and AO is U into OC. What is OC? T. That's what? T. Now check. It is very easy after this. We have just done the first equation. V is equals to U plus AT. Can we write it? V minus U is equals to AT. Can this A come this side and get divided, because here it is multiplied? So V minus U upon A is equals to T. Can I use this here? Displacement is S. S half V plus U, at the place of T what I can write? V minus U upon A. Now check it down. S is equals to 2 into A. What left? A plus B, A minus B. So S is equals to V square A plus B. That's the equation you have done. That is A plus B identity. A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. This identity you all are familiar with. Is it so? Same. So A square minus B square. So if you cross multiply it, 2A into S, that will come here, 2AS. V square minus U square into 1. V square minus U square into 1. V square minus U square. That's the next equation. Thank you.